Oh, this will definitely scrub me new tyres in today, won't it?
Yeah.
In the middle, anyway.
Yeah.
I think we should be alright though, because by the time we do about 12 U-turns because we've gone the wrong way, it'll scrub both sides off, won't it?
Oh, we'll be doing plenty of fucking U-turns when we get lost in a minute.
Yeah, this is true.
You wait till we're going through fucking Hungerford and that, it'll be going, yeah. Oh, if we don't land up in somebody's garden path, I'll be amazed.
Yeah. It's probably where you were fucking with it last night and trying to get it to do motorway straight on the green lane, straight back on the motorway.
Well, it was a lot easier explaining it to you, Nick, than it was to Steve. Just watch the water, take to the middle. I want to get the bike wet and dirty.
No.
I'm going to try planning another route, but I'll use the bird.
Yeah.
You know, hopefully it stops it thinking for itself. If we can find a way to get Steve to stop thinking for himself, I reckon that'd be just a job.
Has he been nasty to you again, Steve?
Oh, he's always getting them out. Yeah. I just drifted off for a second, I wasn't even listening.
I wondered if you'd nodded off.
I was trying to count up how many different apps we've tried so far.
Well, to be fair, he has eaten, had a coffee, had a cigarette, and now he's reclining on the sofa, so...
See, I'm just enjoying life, aren't I?
And to be fair, Steve, you do work, not like these retired bastards, spend all fucking day internet shopping.
I have to survive on a pension. I mean, we're having a treat this week. We're going to have brown bread and water. Fuck the expense.
It'll come to us one day, Nick.
It will. It will. See, and then we can sit and post all day in the chat group that I'm having crumpets with cheese on, I think, for lunch.
To me, they've been quite good because I've been stopping for lunch. There's only been 35 messages.
Well, yeah.
I mean, usually it's about 95 or 100, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Look at that, minus puddle. They're coming over.
Yeah.
Besides that, if some twat goes through it, they'll drown you. There's still a fair old bit of water about, isn't there?
There is. Look, blue sky.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, we're heading towards that pub. This road goes down towards the Woodfords, doesn't it? I wonder if she's still got her stockings and suspenders and on and that. Oh.
It's the whisk. It's the whisk.
Just getting the egg whisk out the drawer.
The way she was smiling when we were leaving, I think she heard us. She was probably thinking they're having this joke, but they don't know how close to the truth they are.
They don't, yeah.
Naughty boys.
You don't know, I slipped her my YouTube channel, so she watches all this filth YouTube come out with.
Yeah, don't worry, Steve. It'll be just you and I leaving the pub, because Nigel will be fucking tethered up in the cellar, I suspect.
Stay there, you scrawny bastard.
There's no need to shout at it like that.
Is that the beast of Bodmin running across there? That's a Black
It is.
Panther.
It is.
The other one has decided they're going to play catch up.
Oh, there's another one.
Fucking hell. There's two Black Panthers and a lion.
See, I can't pick that up because I haven't got a camera on my chin.
Well.
Oh, what? No, I expect all we can see from your camera is rain.
I haven't got the 360 on because doesn't matter what the weather is, it looks foggy.
And what did DJI say? Fucking hard luck you bought the crap.
Yeah, so what we're on about, people, is my DJI 360 is suffering with the same... It's caught the condition from Nick's dashboard.
It's dangerous.
Condensation on both lenses. So
that's a proper stream down there, isn't it? Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. Do you want to ride through that? Wash your bike off?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, straight into the pothole.
All I want now is condensation in me fucking cataract lens, and I'm fucking well away.
Yeah, you'll be well away.
It'll be fucking well tinted fucking vision. Don't forget, as we come into Salisbury, that high pavement on the left, you normally get your do-gooders, your local community speed walk. It would be nice to just mount the pavement and take them out like a load of fucking Skittles, wouldn't it?
I mean, they're the sort of people that would be police informers on you in a fucking police state, aren't they?
They're the sort of people that need a good punch in the fucking face.
It ain't Steve that comes from Salisbury way, isn't it?
Mumble that again.
Steve, the biking granddad, he is Salisbury way, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh yes.
An old Nod Slokin, he's up this way as well, isn't he?
He's over Pewsey way.
Yeah. He's got that Royal Enfield, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's loving it.
Yeah, he
loving
is.
it, loving it, loving it.
What did he buy, a bear?
No, he got the Interceptor 650.
Oh, did he?
Where I'd be bike service, they had a Bear 350, £3,000. Fucking ridiculous, isn't it?
Do you know what I did look at? I looked at the Benelli Imperial 400.
Yes.
Oh, did you?
Because it's the same design sort of thing around the classic 350 Royal Enfield.
Yeah.
And when you read in the comments, everyone that's got one says it's been trouble-free. But Darcy and the old man
Yes.
did a review on it, and he put his foot on the foot pegs, and it's like a U-shaped fucking bar that goes underneath from one side pedal to the other.
That's like the old days, isn't it?
And
That's like, classic 500 had that.
and he pushed on it. He said they don't really feel that fucking. Imagine if I stood on the bastard.
What, doing your rocking horse impression?
Yeah, that wouldn't be on there long, would it?
Why would you want to stand on it when it's only 2 foot high anyway?
Well, when I park my Zimmer frame up and throw my arthritic fucking hips over it.
So are you? I take it you're in the market for a second
Sounds
bike.
like it.
Well, I'm umming and ahhing. I keep looking at my side bit, and I said to my missus, if I take one bay of shelving out and stick it down the shed, I could probably fit another bike in.
See, this is what happens when you retire, Steve.
I know.
Your brain goes soft.
Well, he was trying to get me off-road the other day. Oh, we need to buy. Hang on, where's this we need to buy?
We need to buy, yeah.
I bet she's Chinese.
But I would seriously consider like a 350 Classic or the 350 Bear.
I've heard about you men that like bears with the hairy backs.
You know, there's something to be said for a little bike round the twisty roads just out for a bit of fun.
The problem is you end up trying to decide which bike you're going to take out, and then you feel bad for not riding the other one all the time.
Yeah, there's jealousy in the garage, isn't there?
What I would begrudge is paying tax and insurance and everything on a bike that sat there while you're riding the other one.
I mean, you can do most things
definitely.
on any bike, really.
It's just the people you ride with have got to be a bit considerate to your power, that's all. And I do think if I went to a smaller bike, Bandy,
there's fucking Land Rover there. He don't want to let you in, do he?
Oh no, he was fucking straight up there.
Yeah, I do wonder if I bought a smaller bike, would everyone sort of wait for me?
No.
Fuck yeah.
So he doesn't wait for us now.
I use the DJI automated reply. You bought the piece of shit.
That Landy's still pushing. Yeah.
He is, isn't he?
You wait till you get over 35, you won't be able to keep up. Where are you going then?
Steady.
Tis a learner, don't blast the horn at her.
No. Blast at the bloody passenger that's teaching her.
Well, he said he put his hand up, say sorry, I nearly killed you.
Yeah. I told her to stop, honest.
See, people said, well, you were a learner once. I said, no, don't fucking drag me in with them. It was just that I hadn't passed my fucking test. Don't you start clubbing me in with them learners.
No. The fact you've been driving 20 years before you took your test.
Only on the bike.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking things were so easy back then, weren't they?
Oh yeah.
Imagine driving an ambulance for 20 years without a fucking licence.
I don't know how you got away with it.
When I went for my like you go for your interview day, so you have an interview actual in the in the fucking office chatting, but you also have to do a driving assessment.
Yeah.
So you go out into this, and it was an old ambulance they used, and it was an old Renault. So you go out in there, and the bloke that's taking you out to assess your driving, he says, right, have you got your licence there? And I give him my licence, and he looked at it, he went, I feel a bit inadequate. I said, why? He said, you got more driving qualifications than I have, your PSV, your bike, your car, your trailers. And joking, I said, yeah, but they're not real. Fuck me, I shouldn't have said that. Fucking hell. Paul Walker his name was, and he fucking checked the lot, the bastard. I mean, he was alright, he's a nice fucking bloke, but yeah.
Before you had the paper licence, didn't you, to back you up, but now you don't even get that, do you?
After all that fucking moaning about this Stegra sat-nav, it ain't gone wrong yet, has it, since we left after breakfast?
No. I don't like the fact it's in kilometres, though.
No.
No, that's a bit annoying.
And yet, when I planned it, it was definitely in miles. And I can't find anywhere on the phone app to change it.
Yeah, it's a shame that it doesn't sync with your account properly by the looks of it.
Yeah.
The settings.
It's a much nicer looking map, isn't it, to look at than my route app?
It is. Yeah.
Aye, aye.
Definitely.
Look at all they pigs, look, they're hard as nails, them fuckers, aren't they?
Yeah.
All that weather they're
Until you slow cook them and then they're soft as you like.
Yeah. If you braise them properly.
Oh, pulled pork.
You've been pulling your pork, have you?
I have missed this.